So this week I wanted to remind our clients of an important OSHA deadline quickly approaching on November 19th of 2018. Now quickly, if you remember, in May of 2017, you were to ensure all exposed workers were trained on fall hazards and also ensure workers who use equipment covered by the final rule were trained in that equipment. So here's a little tip. If you haven't had those trainings yet, get them in. On November 20th of 2017, you were to inspect and certify any permanent anchorages you have for rope descent systems. Again, if that hasn't been done yet, you need to get on that ASAP. As far as the deadlines approaching for November 19th of 2018, you must install personal fall arrest or ladder safety systems on new fixed ladders over 24 feet and on replacement ladders and ladder sections, including fixed ladders on outdoor advertising structures. This deadline also notes that employers must ensure that all existing fixed ladders over 24 feet, including those on outdoor advertising structures, are equipped with a cage, well, personal fall arrest system, or ladder safety system. So in other words, cages and wells are allowed to be used as a fall protection system, but the point is, you must have a fall protection system in place with ladders over 24 feet. One other quick note about your decision to go with a cage or well, those must be replaced by a rope descent system or harness and lanyard system in November of 2036. Yes, that's a ways off, but for some of our clients, you have a lot of ladders over 24 feet with cages. I just wanted to let you know that there is a plan to dispose of those down the road. As always, if you have any questions on this content, reach out to your consultant, shoot me an email, or give us a call. And with that, I'm Jake Wolfenden with Summit Safety Group, and I'll see you next week.